Posting consistently alone won't grow your channel. I'm sure that since you started YouTube like me, you heard a lot of talk about consistency. Well, I have been creating content for 9 months now, and I have been consistent with my posting schedule. So by now, I should have a ton of subscribers, right? Well, while consistency is good, and by all means, please be consistent, it's still not quite enough to make a YouTube channel work. And that's why in the next minutes, I want to share 3 things that since I started applying them alongside consistency, I started to move my channel forward. And the first one is treat your first video like a lesson. At the beginning, your videos are going to suck. Let's get that out of the way. But they are also going to give you a lot of information you can actually learn from. And here's what I mean. Every video you post tells you something. Your analytics show you where people stop watching. Your thumbnail tells you if people are clicking or scrolling past. The way you sound on camera tells you if you're engaging or boring. And that is all data. So here's what to do. Watch your own videos back. Not to cringe, not to learn. Check where people drop off. Notice what felt off when you were recording. Write down the thing that didn't work. And when you start seeing a video that didn't perform well as feedback instead of a failure, something shifts. You stop dreading the results and start using it. Every video becomes a lesson and lessons compound. The second thing is very related to the first one, and that is pick one thing to get better at with every video. So now you posted your video, you watch it back, and you have a list of things that need fixing. Your hook was weak, your rumble in the middle, your audio maybe wasn't great, your thumbnail didn't click, there's a lot. And don't try to fix it all at once. Pick one thing, and just one, and focus on that. Maybe this next video you focus entirely on your opening line, or you fix your pacing, or you spend more time on the thumbnail. One thing per video. Then write it down before you start filming and make that the intention for the upload. And this changes everything about how you use your upload schedules. Without this, consistency is just repetitions. You're showing up but not improving. With this, every video becomes a deliberate step forward. 3 months of that looks completely different from 3 months of just posting and hoping. And the third one is start talking to your audience and not at them. Most creators early on, and I was guilty of this too, talk at the camera like they are presenting to an empty room. There's no sense that real people are on the other side watching. So here's what you could do instead. Respond to every comment you get. Even if you just get a few, ask one genuine question at the end of each video. And when someone gives you feedback or tells you what they want to see, use it in your next video and mention that you did. When you do this consistently, people feel like they are part of something. And when someone feels connected to a channel, they don't just watch, they come back, they share, they stick around even when the algorithm isn't pushing your content. Your content brings people to your channel, but how you treat the people who shows up is what determines whether they stay. Creating content on YouTube is not only about consistently posting, it's about getting better with every video you post. Consistency without improvement is just noise, but consistency with intention, where every video teaches you something, where you're always working on one thing, where you're actually talking to the people watching you, that's how a channel grows. And listen, I know that I'm a small channel and that I'm still figuring things out, but I'm better than I was 9 months ago, and that's enough to keep going. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.